Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your dimmer switch in a B15 Sentra. All you got to do, come over to this little panel right here, pull on it, comes right out. Take out your little dimmer switch, which is this, sits right up in there. This is the new one. So all you got to do is just put it in and then push, clips in place, grab this, clip or plug, put it back in. And then that's it. And then if you want to check if you've got gauge lights now, all you got to do is stick your key in, turn on your lights, turn on the dimmer, and look at that, we got gauge lights. And all my interior lights are back on. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys soon, hopefully, in some other video.